Because a switch case is nothing just an alternate of if else. So here, for example, if I take the value of number from user, it will go to the variable number. So suppose the user types in the number as 1. So that means NO is holding 1. Now what the match case or switch case is going to do, it will match this variable, that means number, with different cases. So here, case equals to 1 will actually means if number equals to 1. Okay. If the user types 1, so it will come here and print 1. Now case equals to 2 means if number equals to 2. So it will match the case here and prints 2. If now it's not necessary that you have to give all the cases in a sequence. You can randomly give any other case. So now here the case is 10. So if the user types 10 and so this particular statement will represent like this that if number equals to 10, you're going to print 10. Now there's a default case means if the user types none of these cases, then this will exclude. Then it will type, it will print other than 1, 2, or 10. Okay, let's run this and check how it works. So when I run this code and type a number, it's going to give me 1, right? When I run this code and type another number, it's going to give me 2. Again, I run this code and type say 10, which is another case, 10. And if I type anything which is not there, like 3, it'll give me other than 1, 2, and 10. Yeah, that's simple case. Now, one of the example of this can be doing a calculator kind of calculations. So in that case, I'll say write a code which will input two numbers and the operator and gives the answer using the operator. So now it's not necessary as mentioned here that the cases can be in number only like 1, 2, or 10. It can be a symbol also as mentioned here. So we're taking one number from user here. We're taking one number from user here into NO1. We're taking the value of operator from user. Now the operator are plus, minus, divide, multiply. Okay. And since it is not an integer, so I have not taken int. Then second number from user. Answer variable, I'm initializing it with 0. So now I'll say match OPR. I'll match my operator. If the user types plus in the operator, it will go to case plus and adds those two numbers and stores into answer and comes out and prints the answer as the addition. Now, if the user gives minus, it will match this operator with a case minus, subtracts those numbers, comes out and print answer. If the user types divide, it will do the division and print the answer. Similarly, if the user types multiply, it will go here and print the answer. Yeah, let's quickly run it and see how it behaves. So when I run this code, it is going to ask me a number. Just a moment. Yeah, it's asking me number 12. Then it's asking me operator. I say plus. Then 5. So it gives me the answer as 17, right? Let's type it, the other operators also. 67 minus 45. I'm sorry, now 45. Now that operator it would have not taken. Anyway, I took it as 0. I typed it the wrong way. I should have typed minus, not minus 45. Let's do it again. So 67, then the operator only without a number, and then 45 will give me the difference of them. Similarly, if I run another operator, 78 divide 23, it gives me division value, and when I multiply 12 multiply 2, it gives me 34. Yeah. Now see, you observe here, I have not given the default case. So default case is optional. It's not necessary to have a default case for your match case or switch case. Okay. Now I'll quickly move on to the Python list. Now Python list is collection or a group which in which you group words or numbers together inside the brackets of square, inside using the square bracket. So like over here, if I said fruits equals to square bracket, orange, apple, and banana, then one group is formed by the name fruits, which is holding orange, apple, and banana. And when I say print fruits, it's going to give me print those three or whatever content is stored in the list as it is printing now. If I want to add any more fruit or some more item to the list, I can use append. So right now what I'm doing is I'm saying fruits dot append apple, and then I'll print the list again here. It should show me two entries for the apple. One more apple has been added at the end. So append is used to add a new entry to the end of the list. Yeah. There is a function called copy. So which will copy the full list into another list. So here I made one more list fruit basket, and I said fruit basket equals to fruits.copy. So it will copy all these fruits into a basket. So when I print fruit basket, it's going to show me all these fruits. Yeah. Okay, so it's showing me all these fruits. Now there's one more function clear, which will just directly clear the content of empty the list. Okay, so when I say fruits.clear and then print fruits, it should show me nothing into that list. You see, the list is empty now. All right. Now this way I can add. Okay, here I have added one more time apple into it. So one more time apple has been added into it. Now suppose I want to count how many times a word or a fruit is appearing in that list. So I can say fruit basket dot count apple. So it should tell me how many times the fruit is there. It's three times, right? How it is three times? Let me print and check it out because two times are already added earlier and one more time is added here. So fruit basket. When I run it, yeah, there are three times apples in it. Correct. Now what I did, I printed one more list. I created one more list vegetable, right? And then I printed the vegetable here. And then now I want to join the fruits and the vegetable list together. So you have to use the command extend. So append adds at the end of a list and appends only add one item. Whereas if I want to join two groups like a vegetable group and the fruit group together, two lists together, I have to use extend. So fruit basket dot extend vegetable. So now if I print vegetable, it will print the vegetable. If I print fruit basket, it will print fruit basket. Along with now fruit basket will be holding the full thing. Okay, let me just show the output. You see here. Now first is the fruit basket, then the vegetable, and then vegetable is again shown. Now I have extended the fruit basket with vegetable, so it's showing both the things. Now, if I want to arrange the things, the fruit names or whatever words are there or whatever numbers are there into the list in an order, ascending order. So I have a function called sort. Okay, so how does that work? I just have to say the list dot sort. So fruit basket dot sort. And when I print that new list, sorted list, you will see here all the names are in alphabetical order. Apple, 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 banana, beetroot, carrot, orange, and potato. All right. Now the last function, how do you reverse the list? Okay, so the it's very simple. Now I created one more fruit basket by these new fruit names, and then I printed that fruit basket, and then I use a reverse function. So what I'm doing is fruit baskets dot reverse, which should show you the fruit basket in a reverse order. Means the last fruit will come first. You see? Okay. So these are the list functions. These are the only list functions which are important and which is there. All right. Thank you very much for giving your time. And if you have still have any more doubts, you can message me or comment on the video. Thank you.